Hello Internet, hope you haven't been too good. I'm Vipin and welcome to Motorcycling Musician. In this video I'm going to tell you about all the components that come with the official rally kit supplied by Hero MotoCorp. Alright, let's start. This is a first part of a multi-series, and in the forthcoming episodes my friend Joshua, who's a brilliant bike tech guy, under his watchful eye and dirty jokes, we install the kit and we're gonna make a video out of that as well. And then finally, in the last part, I'm gonna tell you what difference does that rally kit make, and not just the difference on the spec sheet, but also the ride quality and on the dirt and on the trails. Alright, so if this sort of thing is up your alley and if you like it, you know what to do. There's a subscribe button somewhere there. You can hit it and hit the bell icon so you get to know when I upload the other videos. Alright, let's start. The Hero Xpulse was much awaited by all of us fond of off-roads, who fond of trails, who fond of ADV riding, or maybe even light enduro. Alright, so this is a bike that I've purchased. It's a pre-owned bike and I've done some mods on it, but I'll tell you about that later. Let's just stick to our main topic of the day, which is what all comes with the rally kit. Let's start with the biggest deal of all, the suspension. What you get is, you get the front forks, obviously the pair, right? And the great part is that they come pre-assembled. So all you got to do is remove the old forks and put in the new forks. And that's it. We've got to thank Hero for doing that, because they could have saved some money and given you the springs and you'd have to open the shocks, but luckily they haven't done that. So thank you Hero for making our life a little easier. So you get the front forks, you also get this pair of Maxxis tires, rear and front, and they're really good knobby tires. You also get an extended side stand because the higher the bike goes up. You get a new gear shifter lever. It's longer than the older one and it's got more of an angle that comes out, so you're going to be using it with your motocross boots, and that's what this has been designed for. You also get a flat rally seat, which I have not installed at the moment. The reason is bike is right now pretty high and I need to first get used to it. What also comes is this beautiful rear monoshock. Really good build quality for both the shocks. When you hold them in your hand, it really feels good. Apart from that, you get handlebar risers, alright, and these risers come with the bolts of their own, so you can fit them, and they are not pivotable handlebar risers. They're fixed handlebar risers, so we'll see how that pans out. And that pretty much sums everything that you get in the rally kit. Yes, front shocks, rear shocks, makes the bike much higher. The ground clearance goes up to 275 mm, and yours are longer than most other people's. And you get the seat, you get the side stand, you get the gear shifter lever, you get the handlebar risers, and you get all of this for 38,000 rupees including taxes. I think it's an awesome price to be getting all of this. Okay, onwards to the second video when we'll be talking and showing you about how to install the kit, and then finally the experience of having the kit. If you like this video, I hope to see you on the next ones. Before these mosquitoes bite the crap out of me, I'm gonna say bye for now. Ride hard, ride safe. This is Vipin Mishra saying ciao.